Is this for video?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. So this should be my lights. This is from Toronto. Be very careful. Oh yeah. That's a light. In this episode, we're installing these lights. Today, we're working on headlights. My headlights suck, so let's make them not suck. So first thing we'll do, get rid of these crappy housings. However, we're gonna save the bulbs because the bulbs are very good. We're gonna save them for other vehicles that have the same size bulb. Unfortunately, my new headlights don't use the same size bulb, so we'll save the nice LEDs for something else. Hey, tool companies, this could be your tool in my hand right now. Unless DeWalt wants to sponsor us, that's okay too. And out she comes. Anyone want these? One in good condition and one in 80% condition. Extremely smoked, only use if you're driving during the day lights. Okay, so we're on our pretty much last step here of wiring. So we spliced in, there's 3 LEDs here and there's a bar on the top. Those are spliced in with my low beam light. So the low beam light on this truck is the daytime running. As soon as you start moving, the low beam comes on, the headlight. So that's how we wired it up. And now we're just gonna splice them with the clips that they gave us, and then we can put them on. Looks pretty good. Very nice. Always start your bolts with the impact. Because that's how you don't wreck things. The very last clip. All right. Very satisfying. So they're on. It's hard to tell exactly how good they look until the hood's closed. So I'm gonna do that. We got a cabbage. So they're in, they're on, turn some lights off. So this is like evening lighting. They look really good the way it is now. Obviously when I get on the road, right away the low beams come on when you start moving. So, but like that, looks really good to me. I do have one complaint, that it's too chromy in the daytime when everything's off, which you probably just saw in the last shot. So maybe if they're really good, like if there's a lot of light, and I'm okay with sacrificing a little bit of light, maybe I'll tint the whole thing or something like that. But yeah, I bought this to be more functional, and they are, and they still look good.